Yo, pouring a little vid for BMWs out there. If your BMW brake sensors won't reset, I might possibly be able to show you how to fix that. You're gonna need an old sensor, possibly a new sensor. I'm testing this as we go, so I have no idea. You'll see the final cut. Let's get into it. All right. Doing a little cuts, forgot to record. I was testing some theories out, but my sensor, so we go right here, got this all jacked up. We go in here, my sensor, as you just saw, I just threw that piece. It got cut by something like a rock or something, I assume, or maybe it fell into the caliper because it's here. I have no idea, but one of the wires was perfectly cut off and one of them wasn't. And then the sensor, the light came on while I was on the highway, so I guess it was like a rock or something. I have no idea, but pretty much there's two wires here, and I stripped them back just with a pair of scissors. Just lightly press on it and get to the point, and then pull to the right. Probably should have recorded it, but you go in, clamp it, and then just slowly pull away from it, and the plastic housing or casing or whatever will just pull off. And then you just get some electrical tape and just wrap that John up. So let me do that real quick. All right, so I got it here. I just put like three pieces like that, just spiraling around diagonally, and had it come back a bit onto the plastic piece because it just wouldn't stick on the cable itself. So boom, just like that. Now gotta find a spot for this to go. I'll probably get a zip tie, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna zip tie this to itself, just so it's out of its way. So with our BMW certified zip tie, I'm gonna get this secured real quick. Give me 1 sec. All right, got it secured. All right, so I want to take the key, get in the car. You want to make sure you close the door. You have to close the door, or else you can't get to where I'm about to go. You've probably already seen this a million times. But you want to put the key in. So boom, keys in. My foot is not on the brake. Make sure that's away. Boom. Then you want to start up the ignition, and then you should see everything come on. Oh, brake pads, brake pads. So boom. You want to hit the BC button one time. So what you're gonna want to do, make sure, yeah, like I said, the ignition's on. You can see all the dash lights. Boom. You want to hold the trip reset on the dash. You'll see that come up. Keep holding it. Boom. Here we are. So now using the, what is this? The, I don't know, down up selector. You can see I've already gone in and I've reset all the like oil change is all reset, except for those rear brakes. And then I've been trying to reset it, but since it's broken, I can't reset it, apparently. So now that I put it together, I'm hoping that when I reset this, that it actually resets. But yeah, I don't know. It's just a test. We'll see. Oh, wowzers. And look at that. Just a little test. And it actually worked. Oh man, I'm actually, wow, this is a genuine, I just saw it on the forums and I tested it out. I haven't seen any videos on it, but it works. Go to service our vehicle here. Still says 28,000 miles since our rear brake service, but we did just change it here, so maybe, and the brake light's gone. Oh, and look at that, boom. It refreshed in here. The rear brake pads are now good. So cool. Can confirm it do work. I don't want to jinx it just yet. I'm gonna stop recording here, just do a little ride around the block and come back with some more info. But appreciate, good looks. If this helped you, let me know. Leave a like, buddy. Thank you. But yeah, thought I'd record since it just helped me, I guess. Boom. Science. BMW science.